Okay, guys, welcome back to the channel, Matt with Green Bar Trading. And in this video, I'm going to teach you and show you what an inverse head and shoulders pattern looks like in the stock market and what led to the success of my trading day up $405 trading that pattern. So if you know what you're looking for, like I say all the time, technical analysis is the way to go. So getting right into it, we're going to pull up our charts right here. And you can see, I'll make this a little bit bigger. You can see that this was trying to form a head and shoulders. So what that means, an inverse head and shoulders, what that means is you have a shoulder down here. You have the head that's just poking through, and then you have the other shoulder right here. Now, this is on the SPY. This also correlates right with our key level. Guys, so important to have these levels up. Every single morning, I'm posting them on Discord. So we have a shoulder, we have the head, and then the other shoulder. And that other shoulder in the pre-market was forming right here. So when I posted on Discord, this is where I posted that we might see that continuation up, right? So that continuation up to this 415 area. And that's exactly where we hit. So I'm going to show you guys just so you know that I'm not just making this stuff up. At 9:15 a.m., before the market opened, we have some inverse head and shoulders patterns forming, posted right here for everyone to see. So the odds, the probability, we're trading in probabilities of this going up off the open, off of this inverse head and shoulders pattern, was worth it for me to take the trade. So a lot of other traders in our Discord also went long, took calls, and made off very nicely. So that's an inverse head and shoulders, and that's what we're looking at here on the market. So going back to right here, you can see that we're rejecting this previous level. Another key level to have up on the charts. So that 415 level, and it's pulling on back pretty hard. So if I'm trading, what I'm looking at here is the Russell. I'm also looking at the ES down here that's coming back to support. You have what I would say, first of all, the trend line from this morning, the pre-market, was a perfect entry as well. So, like I said, multiple confluences for me to get long here. You have VWAP. You have the retest of this down trend line that it broke out of. And you also have the head and shoulders pattern forming on the other markets. So this ripped. And it was a great trade, very well thought out. And these are those multiple confluence trades that we like to see. This is pulling on back pretty fast here. You can see if there's any trend lines that match up, and it already broke this trend line. You still have the higher highs and higher lows until it breaks below 428. You're still dealing with a trending market that is currently trending up until we break and have a lower low. So that's what I'm looking at right now. These are technical analysis. This is what I do. I highly recommend, if you guys are trading, to learn technical analysis. Don't just go online and see what the hottest stock is and just jump into anything at any given price. That's not trading. So that's it, guys. Like I said here, we have that inverse head and shoulders that was forming on all the markets. So the SPY, the futures for the SPY, the ES, and also on the Qs. So That's what I was doing, trading the patterns. Hope that you guys learned something. Hope that you guys are, also looking at the charts. And once you look at charts enough, you're going to start to see these patterns form. It takes time. It takes a lot of studying. But if you really want to learn it, you want to be successful trading, you will do it. So that's it, guys. Take care. See you on the next one.